In the previous video, we've learned how to hyperlink your site pages to your blog. Today, we're going to learn how to link your other site pages on your blog post through a button. It's super fast and easy. Here's how you can do it. On your blog post editor, go to the plus button on the left. Then, look for button and click on it. A button will successfully be added to your blog post. Click on Link. Here, make sure to select Web Address and then input the URL of the page you'd like to attach to this button so that whenever visitors click on this button, they'll be taken to the link you've put here. Make sure to tweak other settings here as well according to your needs and preferences. And by the way, I usually like to have this link opened in a new tab for the reader's convenience. So once you're done, click on Save. And if you would like to change your button's design, click on it and click on Settings. You can edit what the button says over here, and you can edit its design here on the Design tab. So go ahead and design it however you need to. Once you're done, don't forget to click on Save if it's not yet auto-saved. And if your blog post has previously been published, you're going to need to click on Publish again in order for the changes you've made on your live blog post as well. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.